People are just setting off fucking fireworks. Pretty cool. It's like his tits, y'all. And assholes are trying to fucking hit me, I bet you. Just waiting to set off some more. They're setting off on top of the hill back there, I know that. So I can see him from my yard, but I came over in the alley to watch him. People always set off fireworks. Oh, there goes another one. How about them apples? They ain't going in my yard. Can't see them pretty good from there. They maybe wait for cars to go past. They're pretty fucking huge ass motherfuckers. Firecrackers. I think they're done. They might be done, y'all. Here comes the car back here.